In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unarchive a board in Monday.com. If you've accidentally archived a board or simply need to bring it back into your active workflow, this guide is here to help you with that. So let's get started, and by the end of this, you'll have your archived board back in action. First things first, open your Monday.com account. Make sure you're logged in and on the main dashboard page. It's essential to start here because this is your central hub for accessing all the tools and features available. If you're having trouble logging in, double-check your username and password. Once you're situated on the dashboard, direct your attention to the left-hand menu where you'll see Workspaces. This is an essential area for navigating different segments of your projects. To proceed, click on the three horizontal dots right next to Workspaces. This icon is a common feature across many apps, serving as a menu for more options, so you'll encounter it often in your digital journeys. Now, you'll notice a drop-down menu appearing with several options. Here, you'll want to hover over View Archive Trash. Hovering is simply moving your mouse over the option without clicking. It will typically highlight or shift color indicating that you've correctly selected it. Continuing from here, click on Archive. This action will take you to a dedicated area where all your archived boards reside, waiting to be potentially restored to full activity. You'll now see a list of your archived boards. These are the boards that you've put away for one reason or another, but don't worry, they're all neatly organized and ready for you to review. Scroll through this list and find the specific board you wish to unarchive. It should be straightforward to spot, thanks to Monday.com's user-friendly interface, but take your time to ensure you're selecting the correct one. After identifying the board you're ready to bring back, glide your cursor to the bottom of the page. Here you'll locate a button labeled Restore. Hover over this option to reveal its clickable nature, and when ready, click the Restore button. Doing so will move the selected board from archive status back into your active workspace, available for further editing and collaboration. And there you have it. Your board is now restored and back in the lineup, ready to be a part of your ongoing projects once again. This straightforward process makes it simple to manage your resources without losing any valuable information. Remember, archiving is a great way to keep your workspace organized without permanently deleting boards, and knowing how to reverse it is a helpful skill. Thank you for following along. Q4